Alright, is Faceless YouTube channels worth it? Yeah, I think it's worth it. Alright, but it's going to take you a long time getting the result if you don't learn the basics well. Alright, in today's episode, we're going to be talking about Faceless YouTube channel. I'm going to do a series of 6 advice or tips that is going to help you handle your Faceless YouTube channel and bring it to a maximum view rate, duration rate, and retention rate. Alright, and let's hop in. Okay, if you stay to the end of this video, you're going to be doing a lot of things in this video. Alright, and one of the things I want to tell you about your Faceless YouTube channel is you're building a character and not a brand. Alright, though you're building a brand, but you're building a character too. Alright, a personality, what people will know you for. Alright, and that's going to help you be discovered in your Faceless YouTube channel, and it's going to help a lot of people notice you and notice your personality. Whenever your video is showing up, they will know that this one is you and not anybody else. Alright, and with that, you're going to be making a cool amount of money for yourself. Like this guy, alright, is making thousands of dollars, alright, with his Faceless YouTube channel. Okay, it's possible, but it's going to be difficult when you're just starting. But that doesn't mean that you can be successful in the field, but it's going to be a process that's going to make you become successful. Alright, and you'll be willing to take that process bit by bit and learn to maturity. Alright, and one of the steps in order to build a character is your voiceover. Alright, there is a chance that if you're known for a unique voice in your Faceless YouTube channel, there's a possibility that each time somebody is hopping into your video, there's something they're expecting. Alright, there's a kind of voiceover you're using that's going to be relational, alright, relatable to anybody that is hopping into your video. Alright, for example, my voice right now, if you trace the 5 episode before this one, you discover that I've been using the same voiceover for this video. Alright, that's going to give me a uniqueness, a kind of identity. Alright, and that's going to be one of my basic character, and people are going to recognize your voice and they will know that this channel belongs to this person. Alright, there's a kind of crowd of people that is going to go with that kind of voiceover you're using. Okay, so you need to make your voiceover to be serious, and it's not necessarily mysterious. Alright, but there's a kind of uniqueness you're going to bring in that's going to make the people love your video. Alright, and the step 2 is going to be your storytelling format. Alright, I know a lot of people tell you that the storytelling is very important. Yes, it's very important. Alright, so you need to make your storytelling have a particular template. Okay, there's a way you design it, there's a way you come about it, there's a way you make it look unique. Alright, look personal to you. Okay, and you're going to make it short, interesting, bringing fact, analysis and cases. Okay, all those things that are going to make the story interesting and going to make the people stay till the end of the video. Alright, and you know, when you're talking about Faceless YouTube channel, the person is not seeing you. So at that point in time, their attention rate is going to be reducing in time because they are not seeing you. So it's based on the characters you're bringing into the play, the story, and what the information or the main points you're giving in that video. All right, and all these things will form what becomes your storylines. All right, and that's very important because the format is very important. The next one is your background music. All right, sometimes it's good for you to use a particular background music if it's not copyright, if it doesn't have a copyright stamp on it. It's good for you to use your background music, all right, in all your videos. There should be a unique one that you're going to be using for a long period of time, that anytime any of your viewer is listening to it, he knows that, okay, this is you. All right, this is your method. And lastly, it's going to be referencing to your past videos. All right, and in the midst of the video or in between, you can just bring a reference point that's going to lead them to what you said in your previous video. That's going to make them watch your previous video. Okay, that's going to make them, the retention rate is going to increase because they might likely watch other of your videos, other videos of yours, and it's going to be amazing. All right, and there's this last tip I want to show you to make this video a very short one. Is the one to get your result faster. All right, getting your result as fast as possible. All right, and in this tip, if you watch to the end of this video, it's going to save you a lot of stress. All right, and that is getting somebody to do all the works for you, your voiceover and everything. All right, it's going to do everything for you, automate it and make it awesome for your viewers. All right, and it's going to increase the rate at which people view your videos. All right, let's hop in to one of the experts I found on Fiverr. Okay, and he's going to help you do your job for you. Okay, let's check him out. As you can see, I'm on my Fiverr account right now, and this guy, as of when I'm making this video, he has 18 orders, 1,627 reviews, and this guy is awesome. I've gone through him and his reviews, they are awesome. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, his experience is wow, like seriously, you can read it for yourself. Okay, because I don't want to waste a lot of time checking this review. Okay, let's check his pricing. All right, he has $20 plan for 4-minute video, has $35 plan for 8-minute video, and $50 plan for 12-minute video. All right, I'm going to leave the link to this guy's Fiverr profile on the description. Don't forget to like this video. If you really learned something from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. All right, and we're going to see you in the next episode. I'm going to review the next secret you need for your Faceless YouTube channel. All right, stay tuned and thank you.